truck enthusiasts, and 3D modeling creators. We got something special for your project today. The Holmes 750 record system, meticulously modeled for single rear-axle workhorses like the Mack B6, but versatile enough to adapt to other classics like GMC or international models. With 48,000 optimally crafted polygons, we've captured every detail of this legendary towing equipment known for its real-world durability and efficiency. What makes this model special is its perfect balance of realism and functionality. Material-based mesh organization for seamless texturing. Clean topology allowing adaptation to various truck models. Precise geometry maintaining authentic Holmes 750 proportions. In Blender, you'll find this record system ready to integrate into your American Truck Simulator or Euro Truck Simulator 2 mods. Cinematic vehicle recovery scenes. Vintage restoration architectural renders. Any project demanding authentic detailing. This Holmes 750 is available now. Check description for purchase links. But this is more than just a product. We're building a community of classic vehicle enthusiasts. What other specialized equipment would you like to see modeled this way? A modern crane system? Vintage construction gear? Your suggestions could become our next project. If you find this content valuable, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Each interaction helps us create more quality resources for the modeling community. Now tell us, how will you use this Holmes 750 in your projects? Will you pair it with a restored Mack B6? Maybe create a vintage repair shop scene with a classic GMC? Because in 3D modeling, it's these authentic details that transform good projects into unforgettable creations. With this Holmes 750 equipment, you've got everything needed to add that perfect touch of realism your work deserves.